Now, keema masala is something which I never really had until not too long ago. When I went to a restaurant, the order was set: butter chicken, naan, and maybe some paneer or dal. Keema is something truly special.
If a keema dish or a minced meat dish is done right, I'm telling you, it can stand toe to toe with a great butter chicken. So let me show you how to make this easy keema masala. Let's get started.
So we're gonna start off by heating up some ghee on a pan that's been heating on medium heat. Now let that ghee get nice and molten, get nice and hot, and then you want to add in your whole spices. There is no substitute to whole spices because the flavor that they add is very unique. So add in your bay leaf, cloves, and cumin seeds. Give it a quick stir and let that become nice and aromatic. Once that's done, add in all of your chopped onions. You want to saute this until they turn soft. You can add a pinch of salt here to speed up that process by a little bit. Then add in all of your mince. I put the whole pack in there, and then I'm going to remove the paper, which is going to be a less messier process than scooping it all out. And just stir it lightly if you're afraid your onions are going to burn. But then add in your degi mirch or paprika if you can't find this. It adds a bunch of color, that spice. Then add in your ground coriander, which adds a bunch of fragrance, and then some turmeric color. Add a bunch of salt here. Don't add too much, I would say, but I'm adding it enough for the amount of mince that I'm cooking. Give that all a really nice mix, and if you're afraid that the onions or mince is getting stuck too much, then you can add a splash of water. You might not need to because the meat is gonna release its own juices. Then add in your chopped ginger, garlic, and chopped chilies. Mix that up really nice, and the idea behind adding it now and not earlier is that it's gonna be very fragrant if you add it at this stage. If you did it earlier, it would cook it out and that fresh fragrance will be cooked out. Then cook this until the mince is no longer pink, and then make a well in the middle of your pan and then add in all of your tomato paste. We just want to cook it for a little bit to remove that tartness that's in tomato paste. So just let that sit and cook and stir it here and there, and then after a minute or two, not too long, mix it in with your mince.
Now you want to make sure that you don't cook on a high heat once the meat is no longer pink. Otherwise, you're going to risk boiling off any juices that are remaining in the pan from the meat. You want to keep that meat nice and moist. Add splashes of water if needed if you feel like your dish is getting too dry.
That tomatoes I feel unnecessary for any curry, and I personally love the flavor. It adds sweetness, richness, and it's just great. Mix that up really nice and then finish with a bit of garam masala. That's always a spice that's used to finish a dish. Mix that up as well and then give it a quick taste. Always taste. And as I promised, this dish is so easy. Just finish it now with some cilantro, which again adds a ton of freshness and color. Give it a really good mix, and I'll show you exactly how to use this exact mince into the most delicious keema paratha, or a meat stuffed Indian paratha. You're gonna love it. But for today, I'm using half of this mixture to have with just some plain, soft, ghee brushed roti bread.
So in the title, I call this Laziz Keema Masala. Now what does that mean? Well, to me, what it means is that excited, hungry feeling in your mouth, a tingly feeling before you're about to eat something awesome. That's what I call Laziz. And it's gonna be delicious.
So go ahead and serve this with any of your favorite breads, which could be paratha, roti, even naan. You can even have rice with it, and that's gonna be amazing. This is gonna be great if you want to make Indian style tacos, let's say. So you can use this as a fusion ingredient for Mexican dishes, and it's gonna be great, and you're gonna love it absolutely. And it's so easy to do. So I want all of you who eat chicken or any other mince to try it and let me know how you liked it. Did you find it easy? What did you not like about it? Let me know everything in the comments down below.
If you want more videos just like this one, be sure to hit subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.